Step 7. How to avoid rejections or bans. Getting rejected during registration can delay your launch. Here's how to avoid common mistakes and get approved the first time. Use matching information. Same name on ID and bank account. Same address on all documents. Make sure your name and address match exactly across your ID, bank account, and proof of address. Even small differences can cause rejection. Submit clear, high-quality scans. High resolution, no glare or shadows. Upload high-quality scans or photos of your documents. Avoid blurry images, glare, or cropped edges. Avoid fake or altered documents. No fake IDs, no edited files. Never submit fake or altered documents. Amazon's verification team can detect fraud, which will result in a permanent ban. Use a stable internet connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi during registration. Register from a stable internet connection at your home or office. Avoid public Wi-Fi, which can trigger security flags. Be ready for a video call. Verification interview. Some sellers are asked to join a short video verification call. Keep your ID handy and answer questions clearly. Up next, Step 8. Recommended tools. Follow these tips and you'll be approved faster. In the next step, we'll explore the best tools to help you succeed on Amazon from day one.